Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we are doing our Android screen in a BMW 3 Series, and also we did a backup camera on a BMW 3 Series. We are working on the screen. This car, it's a BMW 328 diesel. Customer came all the way from Maryland to here to get the job done. And this car is a 320 and we add backup camera. So we add backup camera to the factory screen of BMW with the dynamic parking guidelines. By going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera, and you can see it's fully dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. On my next video, I'm gonna put the video of that BMW 3 Series that we are doing the 10.25-inch Android screen on it. Thank you and have a great day.